Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Take out the hub. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to unscrew the screws that fix the left button. Remove the left button. Take out the wire harness from the buckle. Pull out the left button terminal. Install the left button. Make the raised part of the brake lever snap into the groove of the button. Tighten the fixing screws. Insert the terminal back vertically. Clip the wire harness into the wire clip. Align the raised part of the hub with the groove on the headstock and install it. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.